everyone and welcome back to Chest of Crafts. I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to upload a video for a month because I was actually preparing for my exam, so I could not be making any videos. So now today I'm actually making the part 2 of my friendship necklace DIY. So let's make the second part, which is a friendship card. I'm going to be showing you how to make this, and it's super simple, super easy. So let's make it. So the things you'll need will be some white paper. There we go. And now we need some color paper. There we go. And now we also need some glue, and now we can start our DIY. This is a square paper now. And now what we want to do is fold it in a triangle like this. We have a triangle now. And now from the right side, we're gonna fold it in half to the left. We're gonna flip it like this again. And now from the left side, we're gonna fold to the right. We have 3 openings right here, and here everything is closed. Now when we have this, we're gonna do like this, and this is the place where everything is open at the top, and we're gonna take our scissors over here and cut out a semicircle right over here. I've cut that out, and now you have a heart, and let's open it, and now you get that flower shape. And now what you want to do is do this so that you have a straight line horizontally, and you need to fold it like this. And now you can press it down like this and press the hearts in which you folded. So now it's pressed like this. Do that same thing on the other side, and now you can press it down flat, and now you have a heart which will open into a flower like that. And now it's the time to make the little pop-up flower in the inside. So now for the flower center, you're gonna need a different colored paper, and you're gonna be folding it in half like this. That. Now you're gonna turn it over like this and fold it again. And now we're gonna do that one last time, like this. But you will get lines like this, and you're gonna just cut those out. Now when you'll have it cut out, now you'll have a small rectangle like this, and you can just make it a square again. Let's just cut this piece out. And now with this triangle, you're gonna repeat the whole step again, but it's a little smaller. You're gonna be folding it, and then you're gonna cut it into a heart. So I'll meet you then. And now you'll have this again, a smaller version of the card. And now you're gonna do that same thing how we made the card. So now we have that heart, and now what you need to do is pick these 2 flaps up which are at the top and keep them. You can pinch them so that it's easier. And now you're gonna glue this part together. Now I've glued it like this. Do not glue the top which will come out like this together. Do not. Just keep it folded like this. Now you're gonna take your card, take this piece, and where it's flat and not folded like this part, you're gonna place it on like this, so that the heart edges match these heart edges, just like this. And now you're gonna glue that into place, and now you can see 3 more edges like that, and you're gonna use the before purple paper, those rectangles, and make more of these 3 more times, and you're gonna glue them all around like this. And now I'm done with all the 4 hearts. So now since these are double layered like this, you're gonna take them off like this. Now you can see the little flowers they form. Let's just remove all that. Now we just open them up, and now what we want to do is put some glue on top of all the hearts and just close them like this, and then that would form a flower. And now let's just put the glue on top of all the hearts and just close them like this. And now when you do this, your flower is gonna curl up a little because you're gluing these. So just press them together firmly so that they just stick really well. So now it looks like an open flower. And now I actually decided to take some sketch pen and just color the insides like this. And now I'm done with my flowers, and now is the time we fold it so that the flower does not get squished, and when you open it, it blooms. So now actually there's no right way or wrong way to do this. You just need to fold it and your flower will just collapse just like that. And then you just need to fold it slowly, just checking if it doesn't bend all that much. It just bends with the creases, and you just fold it and flatten it. And now when you do that, when you just open it up, it just pops up just like that. And now it's finally time to decorate this card. So I did things pretty simple. I just kept a blue border, added a rainbow, and now when I open it, over here you can write all the things you want to say for best friends, or you can even make this for anyone else. And it all just folds up to the simple card, which has a 3D pop-up effect. So from this 2D flower to this 3D one. If you like it, make sure you make it, and make sure you subscribe. Click the bell button to get notified when I post a new video. Make sure you like, and I'll see you guys next time.